Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today we are making a cocktail with tequila, and I know you all love tequila. This cocktail is called Piñata. It's real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. We need gold tequila, a banana liqueur and lime juice. Real fruity, real tasty. So without further ado, let's crack straight into it. So to start, first ingredient in Piñata is gold tequila, 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. Followed by 30 mils, 1 ounce of banana liqueur. And last but not least, 30 mils, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Now we need ice. And shake the cocktail for about 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. We have a pre-chilled glass here. Discard the ice. And strain the cocktail into a chilled glass. Garnish with a slice of lime. Like this. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We made a piñata. Cheers. Oh man, this is great. Banana, lime juice, gold tequila. What more can I say? Try it, it's beautiful. Real good. And ladies and gents, we made a piñata, real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. We like to keep it simple here in Simple Drinks. If you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you very much for your support. If you want to see more recipes, the playlist is over here. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.